So today I decided to take off my rear emblem. As you can see, the middle part kind of fell off or something. I don't know why, but it did. So I decided to just take it off and put another emblem I bought off Aliexpress, I think. So the process is pretty simple. Most likely you're gonna see a bunch of guys using like a string here. There we go. Something like a string, and they're gonna try to go under it and try to cut the glue off. But Mini Cooper, the rear emblem, has these two protrusions that go into the back of the trunk, as you can see. So the string would get caught on these and they would just break off. And so I kind of chanced it, and I just decided to use a heat gun on it and then just kind of keep pulling it off. And then I found out that, oh yeah, there's something that impedes the string from cutting the glue off. I think you need about a minute or something to get the glue to let go. I used my heat gun here on the lowest setting, and I used it on the lowest setting. I just kept going over this area, and when I felt that it was pretty hot to the touch, then I just kind of started pulling it off using this a little bit for help. But you gotta make sure you don't screw up your paint, you know. But yeah, and I got it off. You gotta use a bit of force, so don't be scared to pull on basically both of these wings, both sides. Just pull it off, and that should get your rear Mini Cooper emblem off. So now I'm just gonna clean this off. Use a little bit of heat and try to carefully scrape it off with this, or maybe even use some glue gun, I don't know, in order to remove this residue over here. And then I can use the new emblem that I got and attach it. So I used this glue gun about 3 times, and it worked a little bit, but honestly it wasn't that effective. So I used this guy. It's like a decal remover. Attaches to the drill, and then we just spin it, and you hold it against the area that has adhesive on it, and it just removes it. So this one worked very well. As you can see, there's like almost no trace of the adhesive left here. Just a little bit here. And I'm just gonna use some soap and water to clean this area so I can glue on the or stick on the other emblem that I have. So this is the mini emblem I got off Aliexpress. This is the double-sided tape, and it's going to there's some wind here. Ah, of course it fell off. It's gonna go about here somewhere. I get 2 of these. I'm not gonna do the front, I'm just gonna do the back for now. But it's pretty nice. Got a nice solid metallic feel to it. Good sealing paint quality and stuff like that. It's just gonna get glued on here. Alright, so this is just a shot of the emblem that I installed during the day. I think it looks pretty nice. I was actually looking for like an emblem with kind of black wings and a black mini writing, and then the inner circle being red. And I guess surprisingly enough, I did find one. It's pretty decent material. It's made out of metal. I think the mini emblem is made out of plastic or something. It was much lighter than what this one's made out of. I don't know how long the paint on it is gonna last, because I did kind of drop it and I have maybe a little nick here and here. So yeah, let's see if let's see how long it lasts. But I think it looks pretty good. It stands out a bit more for me versus the chrome mini emblem. Just a little comparison between the emblems I got off of Aliexpress and the original one. So the original one is it's got these two tabs behind it, but these Aliexpress ones, they don't have that. They come with this double-sided sticky tape. In terms of feel, these are actually pretty solid. Like this one's this is plastic. Yeah, you can definitely tell it's very light. It sounds like plastic, but these ones are metal. From the feel of it, I mean, it feels like metal. It feels more solid, more weight to it. And yeah,